So what we're going to be doing now is learning how to count sets, and we're going to use a technique called Venn diagrams that you may have seen before. So first we're going to go through what a Venn diagram actually is. So a Venn diagram looks something like this. We're going to have some labels. So I'm going to say that everything in this circle is going to be a fruit, and everything in this circle is going to be tasty. So, given that, what we have is let's have a fruit that's tasty. For example, strawberries. So strawberry would go over there. It's in the fruit circle and it's in the tasty circle. Oranges in the fruit circle and the tasty circle. Now let's say this area over here. So this area over here is going to be it's in the fruit, but it's not tasty. So it's got to be a fruit that's not tasty. So for example, a pineapple, which is of course hideously disgusting. All right, that would be a fruit that's not tasty. Over here would be something that's tasty, but not a fruit. So what's tasty and not a fruit? Chocolate, bacon. Well, maybe not. I'm not supposed to eat bacon. Those are things that are tasty, but not fruits. Over here would be something that's not a fruit and also not tasty. So clearly, liver. Not a fruit, not tasty. And this box over here is technically it's going to be kind of the universal set. It's going to be the set of everything we're talking about. Maybe I'll call it food. And maybe stuff would be outside of it. So outside of it we might have, you know, a desk or a motorcycle. And so that's a Venn diagram. It's a way of describing things. So now let's say I want to know what a fruit was. These three are fruits. What's tasty? These four things are tasty. What's not a fruit? These things are not fruits. What's not tasty? These things are not tasty. Okay, now we're going to have some logical operators we're going to do. So let's put only one thing in each set. Oh, I want to make this overlap bigger. Whatever. So what did I have here? Here I had the pineapple, strawberry, and bacon, and the liver. So we'll kind of go with those four things. This is a new Venn diagram. Now I'm going to call the set now. I'm not going to call it fruit and tasty. I'm going to call this set A, and I'm going to call this set B. So that's A, and that's B. So now the question is, I'm going to go through a bunch of things. So my first question is, what is in the set of A? And when we do sets, we do kind of those curly bracket things. So what's in A is pineapple and strawberry. So A is going to be, oh, we don't need this one anymore. A is going to be pineapple and strawberry. And then I want to know what is in B. So if we look at B, so B is going to be, we look at the circle of B. What's in B? We have strawberry and bacon. Okay. So B is going to have strawberry and bacon. Now I'm going to have A and B. So A and B is going to be something that's in A and is also in B. So it has to be in A and must also be in B. And that's just going to be strawberry. Strawberries are in A and also in B. So that's just the strawberry. Now the next one's a little bit weird. I'm going to say A or B, and I say it a little bit weird because in English, when we say or, it doesn't quite mean the same thing as or does in this case. Or in this case means at least one. So it's going to be in at least A or B, but it could be in both. And that's the definition of A or B. So, looking at the A or B, pineapple is in A or B, it's in A. Strawberry is in A or B, it's in both of them. Bacon's in A or B, it's in B. Liver doesn't know. So it's pineapple, strawberry, and bacon. So it's pineapple, strawberry, and bacon. It's not going to be in this course, but when people think or, what they usually mean is something called an XOR. It's an exclusive OR. So that's something that's only in A or only in B. It's not going to be the strawberry, which is in both of them. So that would be the one that's only a pineapple or bacon. Then we're going to have not A. So not A is pretty much what it sounds like. It's everything that's not in A. So these two are in A. Which ones are not in A? Bacon and liver. So that's going to be bacon and liver. Now, we're going to give a name. And the name we're always going to give for this square box is going to be S. And S stands for universal set. I don't know why it's S. Maybe it's, I don't know. But either way, it is S. And so in this case, if I said, what is in the set of S? Well, the set of S is going to be all of them. Pineapple, strawberry, bacon, liver. Pineapple, strawberry, bacon, liver. Okay.